Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today, we're exploring Andover, a market town in Hampshire you might not have on your travel list. I'm here to uncover the real Andover, the hidden gems, the stories, and the surprises that make this place unique. We'll dive into ancient history, nature escapes, and even a bit of adrenaline. I've got 10 must-see spots lined up. Let's find out if Andover really is England's best-kept secret. First stop, Andover Museum, set in a charming Georgian building. Inside, it's a time capsule. Interactive exhibits bring local history to life, from Saxon roots to the coaching era and beyond. What stands out are the personal stories, old photos, wartime letters, and everyday tools that make history feel real. It's a community hub, run by passionate volunteers who love sharing Andover's story. Grab a coffee, soak up the atmosphere, and get the context for everything else you'll see in town. This isn't just a museum, it's Andover's memory box, the perfect place to start your journey. Next door, the Museum of the Iron Age transports you back 2,500 years. The immersive displays focus on Danebury Hill Fort, with a dramatic reconstruction of its gateway. Artifacts, pottery, tools, weapons tell the story of a thriving ancient community. Life-size models show daily Iron Age life, making history tangible. It's a powerful, hands-on connection to our ancestors. You don't just see history here, you feel it. For anyone curious about where we come from, this is a must-visit. Andover's ancient roots are closer than you think. Now, let's meet some of Andover's wildest residents at the Hawk Conservancy Trust. This isn't a zoo, it's a conservation charity for birds of prey, with breathtaking flying displays. Eagles, kites, and vultures soar inches above your head in immersive shows. The handler's passion is infectious, and you'll learn about vital conservation work, from breeding programs to a bird hospital. Every visit supports protecting these incredible species. Wander the grounds, meet over 130 birds, and hear their stories, rescued, bred, or wild ambassadors. It's thrilling, moving, and educational all at once. You'll leave with a new appreciation for these kings of the sky, a true highlight for nature lovers, and a reminder of the difference we can make. Need a break? Anton Lakes Nature Reserve is your oasis. Just outside town, it's a peaceful network of lakes, woodlands, and the River Anton. Flat, accessible paths make it perfect for everyone. Walk, watch wildlife, or just breathe. Spot kingfishers, herons, and maybe even rare water voles. Info boards encourage you to slow down and notice the details. It's a cherished local gem. Simple, beautiful, and restorative. The perfect place to reconnect with nature. For family fun, Finkley Down Farm is a must. It's hands-on milk goats, bottle-feed lambs, groom ponies, and more. The staff are fantastic, making every activity memorable for kids and adults alike. There's a huge indoor play barn, outdoor go-karts, crazy golf, and even a mini train. It's lively, a bit muddy, and full of genuine farm charm. Kids learn where food comes from and connect with animals. It's not slick or corporate, just pure, energetic fun. You'll leave with a smile, guaranteed. Rooksbury Mill offers a different kind of escape, quiet, secluded, and wild. 2 lakes, willow trees, and historic mill buildings set the scene for tranquil walks. It's a haven for anglers, picnickers, and anyone needing headspace. Waterfowl calls and golden afternoon light make it magical. The wetlands brim with wildlife, and the whole reserve feels untouched. Andover's commitment to green spaces shines here. If you need to decompress, this is your spot. Ready for a rush? Thruxton Motorsport Centre is pure adrenaline. One of the UK's fastest circuits, it hosts major racing events, British touring cars, superbikes, and more. The atmosphere is electric roaring engines, cheering crowds, and high-speed action. But you don't have to just watch. Book a driving experience and get behind the wheel of a supercar or single-seater. Expert instructors help you push your limits safely. Even non-petrol heads get swept up in the excitement. It's a thrilling contrast to Andover's quiet side. For speed lovers, it's unmissable. Back in town, the Lights Theatre is Andover's cultural heartbeat. This modern venue hosts everything: comedy, live music, plays, and streamed performances from London's top stages. It's more than a theatre. There are workshops, art classes, a gallery, and a buzzing cafe. The Lights brings the community together, celebrating creativity in all forms. Check the schedule. You might catch something unforgettable. It's proof that Andover's culture is alive and thriving. Don't miss it. St. Mary's Church stands at Andover's historic heart. This grand Victorian building, on a site of worship for over 1,000 years, is stunning inside and out. Soaring arches, a towering spire, and vibrant stained glass create a breathtaking space. Step inside for peace and reflection, or admire the craftsmanship and memorials to local history. The church is still active, hosting services and events for the community. It's a sanctuary from modern life and a silent witness to centuries of change. A must-see for history and architecture lovers. Just outside Andover, Enham Alamein is a village with a remarkable story. Founded after WWI for disabled ex-servicemen, it pioneered accessible living and community support. The name honors the Battle of El Alamein and the village's connection to global history. Stroll past specially designed cottages and visit the Memorial Garden, a living tribute to resilience and care. Today, the Enham Trust continues to support disabled people, keeping the village's spirit alive. It's inspiring, peaceful, and deeply meaningful. A powerful way to end our Andover journey. That's our tour. 10 incredible spots in and around Andover. From ancient history to motorsport thrills, nature escapes to community spirit. This town surprised me at every turn. Andover rewards those who look closer. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like and subscribe for more hidden gems. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. What was your favorite spot? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.